this is Pretty from QD Casa. And you see, this is our showing room, and now I'll lead you to show it, okay? As you can see, the sofa here is very designable. And the Chesterfield here are very good because both from its material and from its color system is the Morandi color system. So it's very good. And as you can see, come here with me. As you can see, this suit of sofa, they are good of design because it has many shapes here, round and rectangles, and the marble coffee table is that. And as for some other things, it's our badge, and this one they are separated. You can buy one alone because the khaki color is not my favorite, but the bag here is of high quality and fashionable. And as for this dining table, you can see the style here is most fashionable and symbolization is the modern style here. So many people like it now. And let's go to the next one. As you can see, style here is also the modern style, but the shape here, this chair is very special, and also is coupled with the ball here, and maybe is a good thing for your sports. And let's move on. For this long dining table, it's mainly in your dining room, and the chairs here you can match yourself and you can choose another colors. You can custom made it. And let's go for other one. As for this, it's more simple badge, and you see the color here are more various and you can choose whatever you like. And let's move on and just come in. As for this sofa, here is very good, and you see it's very soft and it's very solid, and it don't have a cushion like the traditional sofa, so you can be very comfortable lying in it or just sitting in it. You can do whatever you want. And just move on. As for the sofa, you see our color here used very fashionable. This color system is a good style nowadays in modern style. And as for this one, it gives me a sense of our style here is a little light fashion and luxury because the color here are light mainly. And the material are also good. This is the marble one and this is the leather one. Move on to the next one. The sofa here and the coffee table, the end table here are all very fashionable because something are higher, something are lower. So you can match and you can place it as you want. And let's see something else. Let's see this badge. The color here are mainly green and white, so it's very pure, but you don't worry, you can couple with some pillows with other colors, or you like it and you just choose it, and you can see, oh, it's very soft, and I think you can get very good relax when you sleeping in it. And as for this sofa, it is the most popular one in nowadays, and feeling when I sit down, and the touch is also very good, even though when I touch it, it's a little tough, but please, that is of high quality and the fabric here of the highest quality. And let's see something else. And this is our bed with different styles and designs. And this is also our sofa, but it's more simple. And this is our bigger sofa. The fashion here, the style here, the shape here is just like a flower, so it's very cute, right? And as you can see, we have all kinds of furnitures here, and every style can satisfy you, I believe. So now let's come back. Wow, it's our shooting room again. All of these are our products, and I believe you can choose what you like here, and it's just a small part of our products. You can find a lot more if you come, and I hope you can choose one from here and make your home more comfortable and cozy. So this is Pretty from QD Casa. Q stands for quality and D stands for design, so that means you can get both at the same time.